Distinction between political thought, political theory, and political philosophy. Political thought refers to the ideas and reflections on politics and governance developed over time by various thinkers, societies, and cultures. It is not necessarily the product of professional philosophers or political scientists but may include contribution from religious leaders, poets, reformers, and rulers. Political theory is a systematic and logical analysis of political principles, institutions, and concepts like liberty, equality, justice, and power. It aims to explain and sometimes prescribe political behavior and systems. Political philosophy is a branch of philosophy that deals with fundamental normative questions about the state, authority, justice, rights, and the ideal political order. Political thought is descriptive and historical in nature. It reflects how people have understood politics in different times and places. Political theory is analytical and explanatory. It deals with both normative, what ought to be, and empirical, which is, aspects of politics. Political philosophy is normative and speculative. It is concerned with the why, rather than the how, of political life. Political thought has a wide scope. It includes both Western and non-Western ideas, ancient to modern ideas, and can come from philosophical, religious, or even literary sources. Political theory has a more focused academic scope. It studies political systems, ideologies, institutions, and political behavior in a systematic way. Political philosophy has a narrow but deep scope. It deals primarily with universal questions of justice, rights, freedom, and the legitimacy of authority. Political thought focuses on the historical development of political ideas, often shaped by cultural, religious, and historical contexts. Political theory focuses on clarifying political concepts, building theoretical models, and understanding how political systems function. Political philosophy focuses on moral and ethical reasoning about politics, seeking to determine what kind of political arrangements are just and desirable. Political thought uses historical and contextual analysis. It examines texts, speeches, scriptures, and cultural traditions to understand political ideas. Political theory employs logical reasoning, conceptual analysis, and in some cases empirical methods and data. Political philosophy uses deductive reasoning and moral argumentation. It draws from ethics and logic to explore foundational political questions. Political thought aims to understand how political ideas emerged and influenced societies across time. Political theory aims to explain and interpret political concepts, systems, and practices. Political philosophy aims to discover and justify the most just, moral, or ideal political arrangements. Conclusion: while political thought, political theory, and political philosophy all deal with political ideas, they differ in their approach, depth, and intent. Together they offer a full and rich understanding of the political world.